Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I will solve minimize the difference. Let's solve the problem. In problem statement, you are given an array whose size is n, and you have to remove the sub array and whose size is k, such that the difference between maximum and minimum value of the remaining array is minimized. And your task is to find minimum value obtained after performing the operation of removal of the server and return it. In example one, you can see, so if you don't understand, so we go to notepad to understand this example. Let's see. In this, our array size is 5, okay, and our sub array size is 3, and it's our array's element. If we have maximum delete remove 3, because our server maximum is 3, size is 3. So removing 3 elements first, what will remaining elements, if you remove 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3, and remaining will be first 4 and 5, 4 and 5 first, in first case, okay. And in second case, if we remove uh, 2 3 4, 2 3 4, what will remaining elements? Remaining elements are 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. If we remove 3 4 5, then the remaining elements will 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay. And our total sub array is then n minus k plus 1 is our total sub array, okay. And if we remove if we minus between all elements, all these pairs, let's see here in first pair, what is highest value? 5. And what is minimum? 4. Between minus maximum and minimum, it is 1, difference between 1. And in second pair, what is maximum value? 5, and minimum is 1, then minus 4. And what is maximum? 2, and minimum 1, difference between 1. And in this you can see 1 is maximum difference in sub array, okay. 1 is common maximum. 1 is where we need to find, you can see, we have to find minimum value, sorry, 1 is minimum value in sub array. So in output it will show 1, okay. Now let's go to code. Here we will first vector int and post max in comma 0, and next, okay, terminate. Next, vector int post mean, maximum and minimum, then in comma 0, terminate. Then go to next line, post max n minus 1, array n minus 1. Next, is post mean n minus 1, array n minus 1. And create a loop for int I equals to n minus 2. Okay. Then I less than equals to 0, I decrement minus. Condition post max I equals to max array I comma post max I plus 1. Terminate. Recent post mean I equals to mean array I comma post mean I plus 1. Okay. So after this root else post max k 7k minus post mean k max k post mean k and terminate and int max I array 0 comma mean array 0 max 0 mean 0 terminate for for loop int I equals to 1 I less than 10 minus k I plus plus I plus plus when condition else mean else max else mean else mean then post max I plus k max I now first one to three minus mean sorry space minus mean post mean I plus k mean I okay now simply max I equals to max array I comma max I mean I equals to mean array I mean I next one else equals to mean else comma max I minus mean I next one is mean semicolon now return else okay, compile it yeah we got now submit